guys, Jamie here. Welcome to another episode of An Idiot's Guide to DIY. Today we're going to look at how to wire a plug. Here's a hairdryer, doesn't have a plug, big problem, doesn't work. Okay. A couple of tools that we're going to need. First of all, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. If you've got one like this, it will be helpful. And secondly, a very small flathead screwdriver. Two things to remember when we're looking at wiring a plug. The brown wire means live and the blue wire means neutral. Really important that we get those the right way round because that's the way that they will correspond inside the socket. Okay, so we've got our wires. This is our plug, standard 3-pin plug for the UK. If we look at the other side, it's got a fuse in it. So we've got a 13 amp fuse in this one. And when we look to put the wires in, the brown is going to go here and the blue is going to go here. Okay, so we take that round. Got to make sure that on the wires they have a metal bit exposed, which these do, and they're already crimped in, so we're not going to mess with those. And when we put them in, we're going to look to put them inside here and screw this down. Okay, so they will be screwed in nice and tightly and secure. So we'll put that back. Good stuff. Okay, so brown's going in the bottom and the blue is going in there. So this sometimes goes really easily. Oh, fantastic, which it has there. So once we've got them in to the bits that they need to, we're going to screw them in. So the blue is in there nicely. Brown is a little bit loose, as you can see. So let's change that up. These wires are quite robust, guys, so you can afford to be a bit hard on them if you need to. Hold them in place. Screw them in. So as you can see, we've got both wires in there nice and tight. Now we need to make sure that the rest of our wire fits. Lovely. Keeping it in there nice and tight so that is flat. That's important. So when we put the back plate on, we want that flat against there. So we're going to secure that on now with this, which goes over the wires at the back, screws in from the front with these little screws there. Okay, as you can see, once you've got one in, it holds it in place. Just put the second one in, keep it stable. There, got that in. It's nice and stable. Brown and the blue are both in there nicely. Fuses in. Put the back plate on. Great stuff. One more screw to go in. Would you know it? There we go. There we go. Our plug is in. Now for the test. No tricks here. Let's see if it works. And there we go. How will you wire a plug?